though I don't think this handle gonna work for me. The handle may not work. What I'm seeing is right here. See that little gap? It should be out like so. I would have to weld something there or super glue it, something. Okay, so this, get off in there. Thought I'd put it in there. That'll work. Okay, something else out the way. But I was looking into some other controls too, because I have a problem also here. You know, putting that in and out. So I thought about that too. Don't want to change them, but if I have to, I will. Find an OEM though. This will work from here. And I do like the handles. I probably could find a way to modify it. Y'all know me. Okay, I have to look around the bike a second to see what my next stop is gonna be. So we got the footrests did, and off camera, I want to show you this. I went ahead and put this part of the pipe on. I put my crush washer inside of here, and then I have 2 screws, one here and one right here. The sensor was already on there, and I just went ahead and plugged it back up. Okay, and you'd have to check your manual and everything, but that's to kind of tell the bike how lean to make the fuel and everything, basically. But yeah, I got that on. I still have to put the muffler on, but I wanted to get the grips on. I wanted to show you. See how one is different sizes than the other one? One's a little bigger, but the bigger one goes over here on your throttle. Okay, I didn't have no glue at first, but I do have some glue now. And the other one, the thin one, goes on this side. So let's get on this side first. Now, I can't tell you what glue is going to be the best glue for you. I can't tell you that, because I know some guys who use, I've seen them use hair stuff from their wife. I got to push this little piece out of here real quick. I said hair stuff, but I'm really thinking hairspray. You know what y'all know what I was talking about, hairspray. So now different people do it different ways. Some people put it here, some people put it in the glove. I like putting mine inside the glove. That's just me. I put some in there. And what you're gonna do, you're just gonna slide on there. You may have to twist it, but that's all it is. I just backed it off a little bit because got my glue coming out. I put a bit of a generous amount in there. That's gonna look good. Okay, so let's get to do the other side. Hopefully y'all see that real good. Same thing, put some glue on the inside of it. And that's what's, I can't really tell you how much to put, you know, or what's gonna work best for you. But it's the same principle. Put the glue and we just gonna slide it on here. This right here, that's just like a spacer. Perfect. And there we go. That's how both of them gonna look. And I like that they gray to match with all of the gray stuff that go on the bike. May not seem like much, but that is another step forward. Cut that back off. That's another step forward. Oh, and on the pipe underneath, show y'all. Down here, this bolt, I need to tighten that bolt up. But I left it loose so if I have to have some play. And this one here is for in the back here. But I'm gonna show y'all that probably on the next video. I'm gonna show y'all that installing the muffler. Cause that could be like a separate video, because a lot of people do like aftermarket mufflers. So I think, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one right here. Don't forget to like and subscribe.